All right, we just got this parchment paper. We're going to use it to, what are we making?
Cook some chicken on.
Cook some chicken on. We're going to see how it does. Of course, you can cut it to the size that you want. I thought you meant chicken nuggets. How'd our parchment paper do?
I mean, this is not sticking. Not sticking at all. Makes for easy cleanup.
Yeah, looks like it does good. If you'd like to purchase it, there's a link in the description. We get a small commission and it would really help us out. Hey, my name's Chris, and with my wife Abby's help, we're on a quest to review literally everything. If this review helped you, we'd love a super thanks. Even just $1 or $2 really helps us out. And also buy the product using our links, and hopefully we'll be able to review literally everything.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.